Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have to start exercise 5b. You have done question number 1 and question number 2, and question number 1 and question number 2 is also consisted of formula, just like come on page 118. This is formula, and we have learned the formula of this one is equal to length multiplied by breadth. A is the area of triangle equal to length multiplied by breadth. We use this formula in the exercise 5b, and so that now you come on exercise 5b, and we also use other formulas, just like you have done question number 1 and question number 2, and today we have to start question number 3. Question number 3 is equal to if s equal to 4 pi r square, s equal to 4 pi r square, always remember the value of pi equal to 22/7, just like this is also here. Take pi to be 22/7. Find the value of s when r equal to 10 1/2. Got it? Second part is the positive value of r when s equal to 616. This is very easy, there is no difficulty. Now we start question number 3, exercise 5b. Question number 3. Okay, s equal to 4 pi r square. Always remember pi equal to 22/7. This is also given in question. Now you come on first part, the value of s when r equal to 10 into 1/2. This is in the form of mixed fraction, but first we convert into the simple fraction, just like 10 to the 20, 20 plus 1, 21/2. Got it? And we can divide it 21/2, then we get 21/2 to 10 the 20. When we subtract it, then we get 1, put point and 0, and 2 5 the 10. Now we divide it, then we get 10.5. We convert mixed fraction into decimal. Got it? Okay, now we put this is the value of r. Now we put the value of r in this statement, and we find the value of s equal to 4. Okay, now the pi value of pi equal to, and this is pi, so that we put the value of pi 22/7. This is pi, so we replace the value of pi and we replace the value of r. This one equal to 10.5, and this is square, so that we also put square. Got it? Any problem? Okay, s equal to 4 22/7. This value consists in the form of square. Now we open square. Square mean 10.5 multiplied by 10.5. 10.5 multiplied by 10.5. Now we multiply the square mean this value multiplied by 2 times. 5 5 the 25. 5 2 is carry. When we divide this, you divide here 10.5 multiplied by 10.5, then we get answer is this one. You multiply by this, then we get this value, so that we put is 110.25. got it? We also open square by calculator, just like 10.5 multiplied by 10.5, then we get this. Now we multiply by r value of numerator, just like 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 110.25. got it? 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 110.25. This is biggest value, that's why we use calculator, otherwise calculator is not allowed. Got it? This is biggest value, so that we use calculator. 4 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 110.25, then we get s equal to 79702. We multiply by the value of all numerators, this one. Got it? Divide 7 as it is. Now we divide 9702 by 2, then we get 4851. got it? 4851. Okay, Now we check again. This is 4 and this is pi. The value of pi equal to 22 by 7, and this is r equal to 10 whole 1 by 2. We multiply by 10 with 2, 10 to the 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2. We divide this 21 by 2, then we get 10.5. Now we open here 10.5, then we get 110.25. got it. Now we multiply by all the value of numerator, multiply by 22, multiply by 4, then we get 9702, and in there is 7, we divide by 7, divided by 7, then we get 1386. This is your answer. Got it. This is very easy and interesting. There is no difficulty. Now you come on B part. B part is the positive value of r when s equal to 616. The positive value of r, we find the value of r when x is equal to 616. Now this is B part. We find the value of r and s equal to 616. Okay, now s is equal to 4 pi r square. Got it. Okay, value of s equal to 616, 4 as it is. The value of pi equal to 22 by 7. We find the value of r. Okay, now 616 as it is. We multiply by numerator. It's mean we multiply by 4 with 22. 4 multiplied by 22. Then we get 88. Divide 7 and r square as it is. Now we divide it. 88 divide 7, then we get 6 and 116 as it is. When we divide it, then we get 12.571, and then r square as it is. This value is multiplied by r when we shift into this one. This when we divide it, then we get 12.571. This value is multiplied by r when we shift into the other side, it will be divided. 12.571 equal to r square. Okay, now we divide it. 616 divide 12.571, then we get 49 equal to r square. Got it. R square equal to 49. Okay, this is square. When there is square, then taking square root, on both sides. This is square, so that always remember square is cancelled with square root. Got it. Square is cancelled with square root. Okay, 49. This is square root because we cancel the square of r. That's why we taking square root. Square cancel with square root, then r equal to, now we open square root of 49. This is the symbol of square root, this one. Okay, now you write 49, then answer is 7. So that we find the value of r. The value of r equal to 7. Got it. Now I repeat it again. The value of r, we find the value of r s equal to 616, and we have to given that s is equal to 4 pi r square. We put all the values just like x is equal to 616 equal to 4 as it is. The value of pi equal to 22 by 7, and r equal to r square. Got it. R square is as it is because we find the value of r. Okay, 4 we multiply by all numerators, just like 4 multiplied by 22, then we get 88 divide 7. Now we divide it. 88 by 7, then we get 12.571 r square. 12.571 is in the form of multiplication. When we shift into the other side, it will be divided. When we divide it, then we get 49, and this is r square. We find only the value of r. We cancel this square, so that taking square root on both sides. When we taking square roots, and square cancel with square root. Got it. This is the rule of mathematics. Always remember square cancel with square root, and this square and cancel with square root are as it is. And now we open square root of 49, then we get 7. This is your answer. Got it. Note down this question. Question number 3. first and second part, and if you have any query please inbox me. Thank you.